welcome back to another video with your girl Unruly Shana. So today I feel like I want some gungo. I don't want no rice and peas, today I want some gungo. So today you have to cook some gungo because I have enough dry gungo for the field, guys. So I pick some gungo to cook some gungo rice with some fried chicken and piece of mutton. You see? I think we have enough now, guys.
Gungo them full of dry.
So guys, I think I have enough gungo right now. I have enough gungo there. So I will shell out them here right now. So I shell them out. I show you what I go on. You see me? Yeah, man. So yes, please. So you see there with the on the shelling process. Yeah man. Most of them dry too. But them still nice anyway. Nice red pretty gungo. Right man.
That's what they dry.
So
You see it, people?
yeah man, we are going to shell them up man.
Them and then green. This is when they're green and I show them red. And when they dry, it look like this. See the difference? Dry, green.
Yeah man. So guys, we soon check in back with you again. So yes peeps, this is the curry goat. I'm gonna just go ahead and season it up. And also here's the chicken, so that you know the chicken done clean up and ready for season up. So yeah, that I'm gonna do right now. So just tune in and watch what I want. So you know I'm gonna add some salt. So that amount of salt is okay. I don't want any more than that. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of garlic powder. That's alright. Then I'm gonna add. So yes peeps, I'm gonna go ahead and put, I'm using Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So yeah, gonna go ahead and put my Maggi seasoning on. And I'm gonna use another one. Then I'm just gonna mix that in. Then I'm gonna add my curry. Guys, I'm gonna add some curry to the meat, and then I'm also gonna burn some in the oil. So I'm gonna show you that as well. So I'm just gonna stir that in. So we cook Jamaican curry now. You have to add a little curry to the meat, and then you know you burn the curry also. And then now I'm just gonna add some natural seasoning, which I already have it cut up here. I have garlic, scallion and thyme, and a scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this on the meat. So there we have our natural seasoning. So I'm just gonna make this marinate for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna burn my curry and start the cooking process. So that's how I season my curry goat. That is it. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and season the chicken as well. So here we go, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and season the chicken now. So I'm gonna just add a little salt as well. Then I had some Maggi chicken seasoning. I think that's good enough. And then I'm gonna add some garlic powder. And let's get garlic powder. And then I'm just gonna mix that in. And add a little bit of black pepper on it as well. And then I'm gonna add my natural seasoning again. I have thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, scallion, and a little piece of chopped onion. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this on the meat. There we have it. Then I'm just gonna mix that in. So yes, guys, you know me mix it in already, and yeah, that's the finished look. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and set on the gungo. So yes, guys, there is the gungo in the pot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some garlic to that, and then let that go and cook. So yes, peeps, I'm ready to burn the curry now. So I put a piece of thyme, scallion, hot pepper, of course, garlic, and a piece of onion. So there, I'm gonna add my oil. So the oil is going to burn my curry. So I have to make it go on hot. But it needs to be hot some more. So yes, this is how we burn our curry here in Jamaica. So you don't burn it until it get black, you know, guys. Because if you make it get back too black, it's gonna be bitter. So you have to, you know, burn it for like a minute or so. Until it get brown. So yeah, from if you look brown like that, you can start adding meat. So yes, please, I'm just gonna add my meat same way until it's finished. Kinda hard, you know. I hold the spoon and then I add the meat to the pot. I want something to hold the spoon. So guys, I'm finished adding all of the meat. So you know we are stir it. Give it a stir. So we're gonna just let this stay here for a few minutes, and then I transfer it to the pressure cooker. I mean, I have such time if it does make it cook naturally. So I'm gonna just add it to the pressure cooker. Looking lovely. Real local mutton, this, you know, guys. Real local goat. Yeah. So yes, guys. So yes, this finished pressure soften up. So I've already gone ahead and prepared my natural seasoning to add with the curry goats of Irish, carrot, some onions, scallion and thyme. And I had some more time to it as well. So and I've already gone and prepared my seasoning to add to the gungo pot.
So you would say you're well experienced in the kitchen.
So I'm just adding the curry goat now back to this pot. Yep. So I'm just gonna let this boil for a minute and then I have the natural seasoning and then I'm gonna show you the finished look. So guys, I know I did not show you when I was putting in the coconut juice, but I've already put the coconut juice in and let it boil. The mango, them really nice. So yes guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and season my pot. So here I have onions, scallion and thyme, a scotch bonnet pepper and piece of butter. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and throw them in. Then I'm gonna add just a little bit of black pepper, not much, that you know, little bit of all-purpose seasoning Maggi. Then I'm gonna add my salt. Yikes. Trust me, we know if we do it thing. We know in a salt. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar, a little bit of taste. So that is how I season my gungo rice, guys. So yes guys, I'm just gonna let this boil for like at least 10 minutes and then I add my rice. I'm gonna show you that also. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and add the natural seasoning to the curry goat.
You got a total of 26 points. Presentation 5, taste 5, cleanliness 9, creativity 7. Ramon, you got taste 7, presentation 8.
So I'm just gonna let these vegetables cook now, guys. Yeah. Oh, can't wait to eat this dinner. Smells so good.
Congratulations. We're moving to the next challenge.
So I'm going ahead now, guys, and adding my rice. Yeah.
What's so creative about this? All the skill, individual life, and to make the paper chips apart. I see where you put some peas on the side for decoration. That sauce on the chicken tastes good.
So guys, this is how the gungo rice look when the water just boil off, right? So you see it's still kind of soft still, so you know you want steam. So you know I make it steam for a few minutes and then show you about the end result. Yep. So guys, this is the curry goat. It's coming on just fine. Just want to go down, you know, look a bit more. And then I turn off the stove. Beautiful. Yep. So I'm just gonna give it a few more minutes and then I'm gonna turn the stove off. So yes guys, this is the finished product of my curry goat. Very nice. So guys, I've broken 2 eggs, so I'm just gonna throw this egg white all over the chicken and then mix it in. I hope it's enough. So that's the finished look of it, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and flour them and start the frying process. So just cover that in flour. So guys, the pot is small, so I'm just gonna fry 2 pieces at a time. So these are the 2 first pieces. Beautiful. So guys, yeah man, see it's still a fried chicken same way. I don't fry chicken yet. Yeah. There's the chicken there. Coming on lovely. These are the finished pieces, the pieces I take out already. So yeah man, them chicken they're nice, juicy and tender. Pretty. Still have 1 more piece to fry. And then we finish. Curry goat over here, so go on, you know, go and do it thing away from me to come enjoy some of it. So yes guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and do some green salad. Here is the cabbage. I started the cabbage already, so I'm gonna show you the finished result. So guys, this is the finished product of my green salad. So I have tomato, carrot, cucumber, lettuce, and also sweet pepper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start that.
This guy can tow cars without even stopping.
That's it. So this is the finished product of my gungo rice. This is the finished product of the curry goat. Finished product of the curry goat. That is it man, beautiful and nice. And this is the finished product of the french fried chicken. So there you have the chicken. There you have the salad. So yes guys, here is the finished product of the gungo rice, curry goat and french fried chicken. So it's time to eat dinner. There you have it. Yeah man, real Jamaican food, real Jamaican cooking. So yeah, like, comment, share and subscribe guys. So yes guys, see there, Sean already a taste sweet before me.
Something wrong today.
Then I'm going for the curry goat and the yeah, taste for you. What you say? I'm going with the taste. Alright. So guys, I'm going to taste it now and tell you guys how it is.
But I can tell the guy was telling her she should never drive a motorcycle again.
So guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe for more
Lucky
videos.
for this guy, he'll have to clean up first before putting the tree up again. Try flexing your money.
You guys know, sit down and enjoy the meal now. Big up on yourself. So guys, finished, done, cook everything and now tired. Up on my face. I'm really tired. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to your girl and Rooney channel. Alright. Big up on yourself. I'm out.